What is up, guys? I'm Jack with Sioux Falls Dent Repair. Just showing you what we're working on today. This is a 2020, so brand new, Tesla Model 3. So unfortunately my heater just kicked on, so I'm gonna have to go ahead and turn that off quick so it doesn't disturb us throughout the entire video, hopefully. Still trying to get used to this gimbal here because man, this thing is definitely pretty sweet, but it's definitely a little bit on the you know, sensitive side, I guess you could say. But hey, what's up, man? So just kind of flip the camera around here, show you what we are working on today. So we've got this dent right here. Don't worry, that heater will turn off here quickly. We'll go ahead and take this out using Paintless Dent Repair. So it's definitely a pretty nasty looking little body line dent there. We're gonna go ahead and get this removed, and let's go ahead and show you what it looks like with the lighting system on there. There you go. It's nothing too extreme, but some of the factors that come into play when pricing out dents in something like this is the fact of it is in these doors on the Tesla Model 3s are actually made up of aluminum. So not the end of the world or anything like that by any means. Because so many cars are nowadays going to the aluminum panels that it's something you just gotta get used to. So let's go and get this set up here. Again, I'm still getting used to the gimbal. So anyways, so this Model 3 here, we've got a dent in the body line. So that's one thing that kind of plays into it as far as the repair. So another thing I do want to touch on with this video is like, for instance, kind of a breakdown as far as dent repair costs. So kind of what we're going to do is we measure out all of our pricing from our price guide here. So it's actually backwards. Yeah. So, anyways, we've done this in a couple other videos. So this is basically measuring out at a 2-inch deep dent on a body line on an aluminum panel. So those are all factors that we're plugging into the system here. One thing that we do have to take into consideration is on the Teslas, basically from about here, I believe it's about here-ish or so up, but I know this dent is for sure covered. It's all internal bracing or structure, so there's no access to the backside directly with an exact direct tool. So what we're gonna actually have to do to go ahead and make this repair, oh, I locked it, my bad. So anyways, we're gonna have to take off the door panel and all that kind of stuff here in order to get this damage out. So not the end of the world, but that is something that we have to consider, you know, when pricing out damage. So anyways, so we're going to go ahead and get started on this repair here in just a moment. Like I said, taking apart the door panel, carrier plate, window out, and latch assembly. So it's definitely a lot of work involved, even for just what some would consider a minor dent. There's a lot of labor involved just taking the car apart in order to get to the point where we can fix it. So that's obviously priced into it as well. So anyways, we're going to go ahead and get started on this. Hope you guys all have a fantastic Monday, and we will see you guys, well, you'll be seeing a video of this before and after repair anyways coming up. I don't hit YouTube someday. So, so anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Take care and have a great Monday.